butter melting in the afternoon glow. Two onions crying but nobody knows. Cabbage quartered with a tender heart. Salt in the air as the flavors start. Garlic whispers in the olive oil haze. Seared edges dance in the softest blaze. Turn down the heat, let the moment slow. Butter and onions steal the show. Lay me down in a bed so deep, heavy cream like a velvet sea. Thyme and rosemary drifting through, a symphony built just for you. Fontina melts like a lover's sigh. Parmesan flakes like a soft goodbye. Wrap me in warmth, let the oven sing, till every note is shimmering. Sprinkles down like a fleeting dream. A fragrant kiss on the final scene. A recipe carved in memory's page. Flavors bound